Hi and welcome back. I used to live in Singapore where I was first introduced to a lot of international cuisines, and one of which is the Japanese beef dish called Gyudon. I remember my friends and I used to eat this in Takashimaya in Orchard Road and are very excited whenever we go to eat at this restaurant called Yoshinoya. I promise I'll be making Singaporean local dishes, but today I'm making the Japanese beef or Gyudon. So, if you want to learn how to cook Gyudon, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload a new video. First is we're gonna slice our beef. I'm gonna thin slice this. I'm using sirloin. You can use any part of the beef. I'm just gonna make sure that it's thin slice. Now that we slice our beef, it's time to marinate it. Now it's time to make our marinade. We're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and oyster sauce. We're gonna mix it until we dissolve the sugar. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, I'm gonna pour it to our beef. We're gonna let this marinate for 30 minutes. I'm gonna cut 1 whole onion. And crush 5 cloves of garlic. Remove the skin. I'm gonna mince this a little bit, just cut it in smaller. We're gonna heat up some oil here. Once that it's hot, we're gonna turn it down to medium heat. And let's add our marinated beef. We're gonna add 1 cup of water in our onions. I'm gonna let this simmer. Let's check on it. Now it's simmering. Just have to mix it. We're gonna continue cooking this until the liquid is reduced to about half. Now that the liquid is reduced to half, and this is done. We're gonna serve this on top of rice.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!